So here we are in sunny Florida. Not a storm cloud in sight. Everything's gonna be just fine. So I haven't videotaped in a long time. Not that we haven't been doing things, because we're always out and about. But today is July the 18th, and it's 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's gonna be a beautiful day.
Of course, you have a lightning rod in your hand.
We're stranded!
It's being wet.
So we were supposed to walk on this street, but now it's flooded. And if we walk wait for a car to come by. And that's how we would get wet. Oh, the lightning's so close. Oh! Ah!
Grass is really going to grow now.
Mm-hmm.